Sundskeittiö, Tammelan portti.
Pinninkatu 38 takes 8. Tampere Tower for speed from Finland. Actually, we have also been building 46 speaker.
Yeah.
One from each so far.
Yeah.
So here, they're absolutely impossible, but we got it. There are 9 floors here. The capacity is 4, so 320 times. There is one more basement floor, but it's not. And this was built in 1971. Turning 50 years old this year, and 2021. So your numbers fee is 2761. It's going to be expected next year, 2022. Also remember. Sadly, the best was locked.
Yeah.
The floor decatur at least on the ground floor didn't work very well.
Yeah.
But still amazing.
Yeah. Respective occupiers don't maintain both sonar practice.
This feels like late 1971. That's it. Thank you very much.
That's
That's it.